um, toge, bean sprout. Bean sprout. First, I did is fry the Kikiam, Philippine favorite street food Kikiam. Fried it, and then I need to saute the onion, garlic, and the capsicum, my own version. I'm going to make a new kind of ingredients in the bean sprout, toge. In Philippines, it's called toge. We'll add the Kikiam, all of this Kikiam. Experiment how I cook this Kikiam. I just eat this with no rice. I will eat only this for dinner. Then add this, add the bean sprout. This, the bean sprout. Add this. Oh, I will add the bean sprout. And this. Ooh, capsicum. This is my dinner. Only this. So, oh, you guys put a lot? Okay. Then mix it. See? How is it? For vegetarian, this is good. This is good for the vegetarian. Yummy.